In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly embed an image in your Adobe Illustrator document. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your projects are both organized and portable, especially if you plan on sharing or moving your files between different computers or environments. Let's dive into the process, step by step, to make it as easy as possible. First, ensure your image is placed and visible in your document. You want to start by placing your image in the document window. This ensures it appears correctly and you're able to access all the features you need. Once you have done this, the next task is to verify that the image is indeed linked. We'll do this using the Links panel. To access the Links panel, head over to the window menu on the top of your screen and select Links. This panel is crucial as it allows you to manage all the linked images in your document. Linked images are not stored within the .ai file itself, meaning the file merely references the location of the image on your computer. If you ever delete, move, or rename the image, your file will lose the connection. This is where embedding becomes essential. Once in the Links panel, locate the image you wish to embed. If your image is linked correctly, you'll typically see a small link icon next to it, or perhaps a cross through the image's bounding box in your document. This indicates that your image is currently linked and not embedded, highlighting the need for the next actions. From the Links panel, look to the top right corner, where you'll see a small hamburger or flyout menu. Clicking this menu brings up several options. Here, you will want to select Embed Image as. Sometimes you might just see the word Embed instead, depending on your version of Illustrator, but it functions the same way. After selecting Embed Image as, the link icon or cross you saw earlier should disappear. This visual change confirms that the image is now embedded directly into your .ai file. By embedding the image, you ensure that it becomes a permanent part of the Illustrator document. This embedding process means you no longer need to worry about the original image file's location or existence, perfect for when you need to transfer your files across different systems or share it with colleagues who do not have access to your local drives. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your image into your Illustrator document. This simple yet powerful technique helps maintain the integrity and functionality of your files wherever they go. Thanks for watching. And remember, embedding images keeps your projects intact and hassle-free.